Hello and welcome to the ClickSales training video. ClickSales is a software application developed by the Net Results team that allows you to download all of your ClickBank sales information. It puts it into one interface where it makes it really easy for you to run your numbers and find out how well you're doing, even with multiple ClickBank accounts. So let me show you a demonstration of it. I've got this set up just the way you would see it when you first start out. There's no data here yet. So we're going to go to the setup screen. We're going to add a couple of accounts here. So I'm going to add one of my affiliate accounts called Hot Secrets. And this is just an affiliate account. Now what you're adding here is the account is your ClickBank account. It's the same as your login for ClickBank, and your password is whatever your password is for that account. Now we don't store these anywhere on the internet. These are just stored locally on your machine, so nobody else will see your account information. And then once you enter this information, just click on Test ClickBank Login. And that will try to log in, will tell you if it's successful. So that was good. And the description here is just anything you want to enter. That's just for your own reference. Okay, and click OK, and we've added that account. Let's add one more. I want to add a publisher account now. I've got one called Extra Money. This is for a product that I sell on ClickBank. It's called Emergency Cash Generators. Okay, let's test this one, and that one's successful too. Okay, and I've got a lot more accounts, but these are only two I want to add right now just as a little demonstration. Okay, so let's go back to sales analysis. And you notice you don't have to add affiliates and you don't have to add products. That will be done for you once you download your data. Okay, so let's go back to sales analysis, and we have no data yet. Let's click on download. Okay, we have a choice of downloading all accounts or selected accounts. And this is the first time I'm doing this, so I want to download everything. And also, I want to go back several months. Let's go back to the beginning of the year and get everything from January 1st until today. Click on Download. Take it another few seconds here. Okay, that took about 30 seconds. Normally, it won't be anywhere near that long because you're only going to be downloading the data from this month and not going back in time. So as you see, we have the Extra Money account, the Hot Secrets accounts, and there are total sales, total refunds. Okay, and click there. And now it's going to show us every single order. Now notice this is the order number, and I have obscured that so you can't see it for privacy purposes, and also with the email addresses. Okay, but this is how it's going to look in your account when you download it. Down here we have summary information. Right now there is no summary, but we can select to show summary for accounts. So then it will show you all the sales for this date range, and the date range is just everything for these two accounts. What we can do now, we can do some really cool stuff here, like we can see just last month's sales. So as you can see, we had 109 sales for Hot Secrets and 18 for Extra Money. And you can see this year, which is everything, this week, last week, etc. Or you can even define your own date range. Okay, now you can do some other really cool stuff too. Like for instance, you can go here to the filter and you can edit filters. And now you can add your own custom filter. So let's add a filter where we only want to see sales by, let's say, a certain affiliate. Let's say we only want to see sales by Shannon. And we're going to call this Shannon only. Do it like this. Okay, and click OK, and that adds that filter. And when we go back to the main screen, if we select Shannon only, then we see only the sales from affiliate Shannon. Okay, and then we can clear that out just like that, but the filter's still there if we want to go back to it. So you can add as many filters as you want. So you can see you can really slice and dice your data in many different ways. You can also see stuff like all orders or refunds only or no refunds only. Several other things you can do, like for instance, if you're on, say, last month and you want to see sales for the month, and this would be May, you want to see sales for April, just click on this button and it shows you all sales for April. And there's back to May, and this one increments it by date, or one day at a time. Okay, down here you have the Find button where you can use to find a specific order if you have, say, the receipt number or the order number. You can print out. We haven't added this yet. We'll have this added in a couple of weeks or so in the next release. And, of course, there's a download feature and the export. You can export all the information to a text file or Excel spreadsheet. Okay, thanks for downloading and using ClickSales. I think this is a software application that you're probably going to use many, many times a day, and I hope you get a lot of use out of it. So once again, thanks for viewing this video, and have a great day.